channel. So for the upcoming batches, now we are starting a podcast series, Life After Hours. And because we are doing MBA, so we will call it MBA After Hours. And today I would like you to meet my guest Manvi, or we can say the epic Manvi. So Manvi, please.
Yeah, sure. So, hi everyone, I'm Manvi and we are from same class, same section, same decks also sometimes. So, I'm really excited to give my insight for UBS for the upcoming generation, I should say.
To everyone who is coming to UBS, I think we wish कि अगर जब हमने एडमिशन लिया तो ऐसा कुछ होता तो बड़ा मजा आता. So just create what you want to see in the world, right? So Manvi, going on with the first question.
Sure.
We all want to know why did you choose UBS?
So first, I always wanted a ROI based college and I'm from Delhi, so it was kind of near to my home and this place will make you feel like home. So yeah, that's how I landed up UBS.
Okay, so you said that you felt this place was like a home. So do you have any favorite memories so far in UBS?
Yeah, sure. So there are many memories because this is a hostel and we actually spend 24/7 here. There are a lot of memories which we have made so far together and with other people also. So one of my favorite memory that I'll recall from UBS is when we guys were together and everyone was discussing their dreams and their aspiration, and when the ice was broken for the first time, I think that stands to my best memory because from that day to this day, we actually know so much about each other. So yeah, that stands my best memory.
The ice breaking sessions make you feel nervous at first कि क्या बताए, सबका सुनते हैं, लेकिन मजा भी आता है. तुम्हें पता लगता है कि तुम आगे क्या करते हो और क्या नहीं करते हो.
Indeed, man. And as a person, I was someone who thought that मेरे को भी दोस्त नहीं बनना है. I'll be friendless. But yeah, when you're here, this is the first suggestion that I'll give. Make friends. So I think, and we as seniors are pretty cool as well. So
we are actually pretty cool. तो तुम लोगों को मिलना पड़ेगा तो मजा आ जाएगा.
Yeah,
done. ठीक है. अच्छा, next question. Subject काफी सारे हम पढ़े गए हैं, but still, any subject or like class you didn't like or like hated something कि जो पसंद बिल्कुल नहीं आई. इससे खुद का परसेप्शन नहीं बनाना है, अपने चॉइसेस होती है, but still.
Yeah, so I think Asta, hate is a big word. So not hate, but since I'm not from commerce background, so I always wanted to skip my accountancy or financial management classes. I really wanted to skip it, but there's one guest professor and her name is Palnum. So I would really recommend if you guys join her class, it's going to be a real fun ride, and I think I didn't skip any of her classes. First semester में my attendance was like 100% on her class, but second वाला थोड़ा सा tough था. So yeah, that's something that I like to skip a little lot.
So we can say if you are someone from a non-commerce background, accounting इतनी जल्दी पसंद नहीं आएगी, but still तुम लोगों को ये होगा कि धीरे-धीरे टाइम के साथ you will learn a lot about it.
Yeah. Indeed.
And टीचर्स अच्छे हैं, खुद का इंटरेस्ट लेके आना पड़ेगा. यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने जाना कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में at UBS. Now one last question from this series. How has UBS shaped your personality or professional growth till now? Since we are in our first year yet doing our summer internship. Second year का तुमको तब experience देंगे, but अभी तक how has UBS contributed in your overall personality?
I think the one word that I'll describe this is I am now a very calm person. First, when I came here, I used to get irritated so much with pretty much everything. ये यहाँ क्यों रखा है, ये फोन यहाँ क्यों है, ये क्लासेस ऐसी क्यों है, यहाँ 2 AC क्यों है, ये इतना ज्यादा क्यों चल रहा है, इतना कम क्यों चल रहा है. But I think it gave me a sense of comfort. It made me realize that if you want to thrive in this world, you have to be a little diplomatic. You have to, play it good, play it safe, and things. And that's how I have learned, and which I'm implying at my summer internship as well.
You have to develop thick skin.
Yeah.
You really need to do that. That's my personal opinion. कि thick skin will help you a lot.
Don't be pretty much serious. Don't be pretty much sensitive.
थोड़ी दिक्कत हो, सीख जाओगे. Okay. So after this, like you mentioned about your internship, where are you doing your internship at now?
Okay. So we laughed it off because we are doing our internship together. So we are both at ITC Limited. as a marketing and strategy interns.
Okay, so one key learning from the internship till now.
Since it's going on and it's just been 2 weeks, but the one thing that I've learned from my internship is you have to go forward and you have to take work. Else, it's all pretty much waste. No brand, no position can give you those insights. You have to go to the market, you have to see things for yourself, and you have to be willing to work for yourself. And that's the
काम
one.
निकालना पड़ेगा, जरूरी है. ऐसे होता है ना कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज बनानी पड़ती हैं, बने बनाए पका हुआ खाना नहीं मिलता.
And pretty much when you come to UBS, you have to keep that in mind also कि यहाँ पर सब कुछ hard work से ही मिलता है. You have to go forward, you have to take things, you have to ask questions, and yeah, that's how.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Learn from the best.
इस पॉइंट पे ना अगर तुम मेरे बैच के किसी से भी मिलोगे ना, ग्रेजुएशन का, स्कूल का और MBA का, everyone will call me the question girl. And since मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछने इतने पसंद है, मैंने पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट कर ली कि मैं सबसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लूंगी आराम से.
And I'm pretty much used to answering now. That's how I became the first guest.
Exactly, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि ये बढ़िया जवाब दे सकती है. Okay, coming to personal and professional goals. What is your dream company or job?
So I see myself as a brand market manager, and that's a long goal, I think. So it's gonna take pretty much time, but I think I'll eventually be there.
Any skill you are working on right now?
Since I want to make my career in marketing and operations, so I am trying my level best to increase my game in marketing. Basically doing few courses. I didn't do anything before this because I wanted कि मैं course उस time करूँ कि मुझे चीजें याद रहें. So yeah, that's how I'm doing 1 or 2 courses.
So
And एक second, सबसे best advice, please maintain your attendance.
please.
Do not take that for granted.
अगर तुम ये सोचो कि हम नहीं आएंगे, लास्ट में कुछ हो जाएगा, बेटा बच्चे डिटेन हो जाते हैं.
नहीं होता. And
कोई cooperate
you
नहीं
will get to hear बहुत सारी stories.
हाँ,
क्या
बहुत
पता?
मिलेगी. But still 75% अटेंडेंस मेंटेन कर लो. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, इतना आसान भी नहीं है, बट डुएबल है. तो प्लीज मेंटेन योर अटेंडेंस, क्योंकि अगर रिटेन हो गए तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी.
इतना मुश्किल नहीं है मेरे जैसों के लिए. वो अलग बात है कि ठीक है.
Coming back to the rapid fire. Okay, one word for UBS. Rapid fire.
Oh sorry, I'm sorry. I was gonna one word for you. Home.
Okay, coffee or chai?
Coffee.
One professor or teacher you would never forget?
So Diksha ma'am.
Sudiksha ma'am. Biggest MBA myth?
That you have to be busy 24/7. ऐसा नहीं होता. Be productive.
If you could be intern anywhere in the world, where would it be?
See, मेरी dream company डाबर थी. So पता नहीं है. I don't know if it's the right answer or not.
Thank you so much, Manvi. So, final thoughts or message to the juniors?
Okay, so yeah, dear juniors, we are very happy that you're all coming to UBS and we are very very excited to meet you all. One thing that I'll suggest you guys, please have fun. Don't feel that you are behind or ऐसे कोई अजीब से कॉलेज में आ गए हो, there are no learning, there is no networking. Don't think like that at all. We are here to help you any day, any time. और डिप्रेशन में नहीं जाना है. Please be happy, do your thing, and eventually everything will fall into place. हम भी सेकेंड ईयर से यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं. Although
हो जाता है, करते तो खुद पे भरोसा रखना. बस ये ध्यान रखना कि कुछ भी सिचुएशन है, खुद पे गुस्सा नहीं करना. तुम्हारा भी फर्स्ट टाइम में MBA कर देगा. तुम लोग कोई बार रोज नहीं करते थे. फर्स्ट डे है, उस दिन को जीने का फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो बी काइंड एंड पेशेंट विद योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू मानवी फॉर दिस अमेजिंग सेशन. मेरी फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट एंड आई वाज लाइक, जब से मैं MBA की तैयारी कर थी मैं तब से ये करना चाहती थी. कितना मजा आ रहा है ना.
Yeah.
तो if you want to get connected with her on her socials, then please share about it. I will put the links of LinkedIn in the description.
Yep.
So mine and her as well. Anything else?
no guys, come and then have fun. It's
These
a
are your
experience.
seniors of MBA EP batch of 2026.
MBA epic.
Epic.
Guys.
EP, I see, epic. Bye bye.